Hey everybody from gutterleads.com, and today we're going to go find how you can get real high intent people looking to install gutter guards, leak filters, or just replace and install some new gutters. So as you see, you got a few databases here. The real estate merchant cashier doesn't look like we need those for gutters, but if you see right over here, there's gutter installation and preventing gutter clogs. That means these people were Googling up people that install gutters, and these people were Googling up people that prevent gutter clogs. What do I think the two of these mean? Preventing gutter clogs, I would anticipate, is for leaf filter, gutter guards, anything that requires an accessory within the gutter to prevent gutter clog. And then the installation, I interpret as people who are looking to actually install gutters, whether it's a new property or they're just renovating an old property. Now, we have all these criteria here. We have personal phone, personal city, state, zip, social connections, age, you name it, we got it. If you're looking after leads that only have a business email, you can flip these switches. And now every single record, when I hit search over here, is now going to have a business email. So now we just reduced the amount to 86,000. And I'm going to get a little bit more specific. I want to find people with a credit rating of A. So when I do that, I'm now left with 50,000. And the final thing I want to find out is I want to find people looking to prevent gutter clogs who are CEOs of companies. So we would just flip the switch for CXO here. And I do telemarketing. So I want to make sure every cell phone is skip traced. What this means is the phone number was verified in 3 places. And by phone number, I mean mobile phone. Now, this number, every single record has. 20% of these numbers will ring indefinitely. And if we go take a look at the skip trace, we found that mobile number in 3 places. So basically, that's our way of triple verifying the phone number. And if you want to make sure everything has a phone number, you can just go off, hit search. It takes only a few moments, and we just found 156 CEOs with a credit score A rating with a cell phone and who also have a business email that we're currently looking for gutter guards or leaf filters or some type of accessory that works within the actual gutter. Now, this is the list we want. Just going to go off, hit buy, save list. I'm going to go name it gutter guard leads for CEOs with skip trace. And there's only 156, so I'm going to be greedy and take all of them. I'm going to select the email. And now I am going to get a list of 156 leads in the next few moments. And the best thing about this is anything you buy from us, as long as you're subscribed, you never lose access to. So you can go back months and months and months. As long as you don't cancel, you get access to every single list you ever saved. Make sure you guys sign up. We're doing a crazy promotion where you can get 5,000 leads a month for only $500. These are people who actually Googled and are looking for gutter services. Check the link in the description. You'll find the promotion. Like and subscribe for more. And we're here to just keep pushing out the best content and software for gutter installers and other home remodeling businesses. Thank you. Talk soon.